He stood up, walked out of the courtroom, and no one tried to stop him. Not the judge, not the police, no one. His name was Marcus Hale, and just minutes earlier, he had been found guilty of murder. The case was simple, too simple. A businessman had been found dead in his office. No signs of forced entry, no robbery, just one clean wound. Marcus had been seen entering the building. He had argued with the victim days before, and his fingerprints were everywhere, open and shut. At least, that's what everyone thought. During the trial, Marcus barely defended himself. No emotional reactions, no outbursts, nothing. But he kept saying one thing: this won't end the way you think. No one took it seriously. The jury didn't hesitate. Guilty. The courtroom relaxed. It was over, or at least it should have been. The judge began preparing the sentencing. Papers shuffled, voices low, routine. And that's when Marcus stood up. No permission, no hesitation. He turned and started walking toward the exit. At first, people thought he was confused, but he wasn't. He walked calmly, steady pace, and the strangest part? No one reacted. The officers looked at each other, but didn't move. The judge froze, like something wasn't right. Marcus reached the door, stopped for a second, then said quietly, "You might want to check the time," and walked out. 30 seconds later, everything collapsed. A call came in. Another body had been found. Same method, same precision, same time frame. Exactly when Marcus had been inside the courtroom. It was impossible. The timeline broke the entire case. Panic spread instantly. If Marcus wasn't the killer, then who was? And more importantly, how did he know? By the time officers ran outside, he was gone. No cameras caught him leaving the building. No witnesses saw where he went. It was like he vanished. The case was reopened, but Marcus Hale was never found again. To this day, no one knows where he went. But some investigators still talk about what he said. You might want to check the time, because when they did, they realized something chilling. The second murder had happened before the verdict was even read, which means Marcus wasn't just innocent. He knew exactly when it would happen, and no one has ever explained how.